to the Feel Good Moments module and let this bring out joy, happiness, and prosperity in your lives. This module shares some of the feel good moments of life, and you should take this as an opportunity to explore happiness for self and for others. For it counts when you share happiness, it gets doubled, and it reflects that every individual has to have a feel good moment every day as a priority. For when we feel good, we are more productive, laminative, innovative, and above all, we believe in networking. So I'm sure this module, Feel Good Moments of Life, could certainly deliver pride, perfection, and productivity in you. Enjoy to the best of it. Take care.